Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom, with a really good travel tip for you today. And it has to do with taking pictures, which we all do whenever we travel, even if it's to the next city or the next country. Wherever we're going, we snap photos. And then we get home and we go, wait, this cathedral, where was this one? Wait, this one kind of looks like that one. It gets very confusing if you don't have a way to mark your photos. So here's what you do. Every single day, take a picture. It could be on a map, it could be maybe a brochure you've received, or if you're on a tour, it might be the daily newsletter they give you, and you take a picture of something with the name of the place you're visiting on it, so that you know when you get home and you're scrolling through your photos after that one word will all be that city. And then there's another picture of that city's name, and those next photos will belong to that city. So much easier. Especially if you like to make keepsake books or scrapbooks or some way to show the photos to people. You want to say, oh, this little bakery, it was so cute. It was in the city of whatever it was. And that's how to really make it simple to organize your pictures once you're home. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Be sure to subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.